Swami Vishnu-devananda went to Rishikesh Sivananda Ashram after Master Sivananda died in 1963 and picked up all this footage. This is an uncut version of Swami Sivananda and a Day in Rishikesh.
मोगन बंसी वाला तुमको लाखों प्रणाम, तुमको लाखों प्रणाम। मोगन बंसी वाला तुमको लाखों प्रणाम, तुमको लाखों प्रणाम। लाखों प्रणाम प्यारे करोड़ों प्रणाम, लाखों प्रणाम प्यारे करोड़ों प्रणाम। शंकर बोले वाले तुमको लाखों प्रणाम, शंकर बोले वाले तुमको लाखों प्रणाम, तुमको लाखों प्रणाम प्यारे करोड़ों प्रणाम, तुमको लाखों प्रणाम प्यारे करोड़ों प्रणाम। भजो राधे गोविंद, राधे गोविंद, राधे गोविंद, भजो राधे गोविंद, राधे गोविंद, भजो राधे गोविंद, राधे गोविंद, भजो सीता गोविंद, राधे गोविंद, भजो सीता गोविंद। हरि बोलो बोलो भाई राधे गोविंद, हरि बोलो बोलो भाई राधे गोविंद। हरे कृष्ण हरे राम राधे गोविंद, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम राधे गोविंद। जगत्पथोरेयं ब्रह्ममुहूर्त, जगत्पथोरेयं ब्रह्ममुहूर्त, जगत्पथोरेयं जपो राम राम, जगत्पथोरेयं जपो राम राम। जगत्पथोरेयं डू ब्रह्म विचार, जगत्पथोरेयं डू ब्रह्म विचार। जगत्पथोरेयं एनक्वायर हुआ मैं, जगत्पथोरेयं एनक्वायर हुआ मैं। जगत्पथोरेयं प्रैक्टिस योगाभ्यास, जगत्पथोरेयं प्रैक्टिस योगाभ्यास। जगत्पथोरेयं प्रैक्टिस प्राणायाम, जगत्पथोरेयं प्रैक्टिस प्राणायाम। Observe Mauna daily for 2 hours, observe Mauna daily for 2 hours. Fast on Ekadashi, take milk and fruit, fast on Ekadashi, take milk and fruit. Study daily 1 chapter of Gita, study daily 1 chapter of Gita. Do regular charity, 1/10 income, do regular charity, 1/10 income. Rely on your own self, give up service, rely on your own self, give up service. Do kirtan at night, have satsang, do kirtan at night, have satsang. Speak the truth at all costs, preserve virya, speak the truth at all costs, preserve virya. Satyam vada dharmam charang, observe brahmacharya, satyam vada dharmam charang, observe brahmacharya. Ahimsa paramo dharma, love one and all, ahimsa paramo dharma, love one and all. Never hurt others' feelings, be kind to all, never hurt others' feelings, be kind to all. Control anger by Shama, develop Vishwa Prem, control anger by Shama, develop Vishwa Prem. Keep daily spiritual diary, you will evolve quickly, keep daily spiritual diary, you will evolve quickly. Hare Krishna Hare Ram Radhe Govind, Hare Krishna Hare Ram Radhe Govind. Ammaji, Santoshji, have you heard these instructions?
Yes, Swami.
You will have to practice them. It is not eating like pakoda and this jalebi and halwaji. The spiritual path is very thorny, precipitous and rugged. It is not a rosy path. You will have to follow these instructions. Get up at 4 o'clock and after eating 4 o'clock again don't go to sleep and drawing the blankets over you. Understand?
Yes, sir.
It's a rigid and the fruit is a high price, you see. You will have to pay. and the fruit is immortality. Everlasting peace, everlasting joy is freedom, independence. Have you understood? So stick to the instructions.
Thank you, Swamiji.
What simple, practical instructions Swamiji has given. Even a householder can follow it.
Oh, Shantananji.
Swamiji.
1 o'clock now?
Yes, Swamiji.
You must go now, I think.
Yes, Swamiji. Swamiji, a group of lady students from Dehradun have come. I think Pushpaji has brought them all.
Acha ji, doesn't matter. Call them.
Satyama, Hindi kuskunda ba?
Give them books, English books.
Pushpato, camera ready, Swami Gudar.
Distribute these sweets to them.
Yes, Swamiji.
Howji, are you coming from Dehradun?
Yes, Swamiji.
I will teach you a nice song. मुझे देहरादून देवी जी सब सुनाओ.
Om Swamiji.
सुनाओ carefully. God is truth, Jai Jai Ram. God is bliss, Sita Ram.
God is truth, Jai Jai Ram. God is bliss, Sita Ram.
Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram. Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram.
Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram. Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram.
God is peace, Jai Jai Ram. God is love, Sita Ram.
God is peace, Jai Jai Ram. God is love, Sita Ram.
Attain Him, Jai Jai Ram. Through faith, devotion, Sita Ram.
Attain Him, Jai Jai Ram. Through faith, devotion, Sita Ram.
You are the backbone, Jai Jai Ram, of Hindu religion, Sita Ram.
You are the backbone, Jai Jai Ram, of Hindu religion, Sita Ram.
Do not give up, Jai Jai Ram, womanly grace, Sita Ram.
Do not give up, Jai Jai Ram, womanly grace, Sita Ram.
Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram.
Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram.
Give up fashion, Jai Jai Ram, a simple dress, Sita Ram.
Give up fashion, Jai Jai Ram, wear simple dress, Sita Ram.
Fashion is a curse, Jai Jai Ram, it excites passion, Sita Ram.
Fashion is a curse, Sita Ram, it excites fashion, Sita Ram.
They mar the beauty, Jai Jai Ram, it makes you artificial, Sita Ram.
They mar the beauty, Jai Jai Ram, it makes you artificial, Sita Ram.
The real beauty, Jai Jai Ram, is found in Atma, Sita Ram. Develop virtues, Jai Jai Ram, make this your ornament, Sita Ram.
Develop virtues, Jai Jai Ram, make this ornament, Sita Ram.
Chastity, Jai Jai Ram, diamond necklace, Sita Ram.
Chastity is Jai Jai Ram, diamond necklace, Sita Ram.
Modesty is Jai Jai Ram, the best of bangles, Sita Ram.
Modesty is Jai Jai Ram, the best of bangles, Sita Ram.
Faith, devotion, Jai Jai Ram, are the earrings, Sita Ram.
Faith, devotion, Jai Jai Ram, are the earrings, Sita Ram.
Selfless service, Jai Jai Ram, is silk sari, Sita Ram.
Selfless service, Jai Jai Ram, is silk sari, Sita Ram.
Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram.
Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram. Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram. Rama Rama Jai Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jai Sita Ram. Swamiji, these people want to hear one more song, they say.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Sadhu love, keep purify, meditate, realize. Be good, do good, be kind, be compassionate. Attach, detaching, attach, detaching, attaching, detach, attach.
Detach, attach, detach, attach, detach,
Detach the mind from the objects, attach it to the Lord.
detach the mind from the object, attach it to the Lord.
D-I-N, D-I-N, D-I-N.
D-I-N, D-I-N, D-I-N.
Do it now, do it now, do it now.
Do it now, do it now, do it now.
This is the way, this is the truth, this is life divine.
This is the way, this is the truth, this is life divine.
Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om.
Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om.
Ram, Ram,
Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram, Ram.
Oh, Devi ji, are you all returning today?
Yes, Swamiji.
Take Ganges bath, kindly have your food here, simple roti and dal.
Yes.
May Lord bless the lady students from Dehradun with health, long life, peace, bliss and immortality.
May Lord bless the lady student from Dehradun with health, long life, peace, bliss and immortality.
Swamiji, Purushottam is ready with camera, Swamiji. Purushottam, Swami is calling you.
Dehradun Devi ji ki
Jai.
Oh.
Shanti, Savitri, all of you go, Swamiji is calling you for photo.
Long live!
Dehradun lady students.
Long live!
Dehradun lady students.
Long
Whole
live!
world at large.
Wanted!
More lady students.
More saints. Wanted!
More saints.
Wanted!
More saints.
Wanted!
More saints.
Oh!
Swamiji, thank you for this wonderful reception. We appreciate it. Thank you for all the ladies from Dehradun.
Thank you very much. Please be coming very often here and take Ganges bath and take in the langar simple dal roti.
Yes.
Thankful, huh?
Yes.
I'm indebted.
Thank
Oh yes. Be gracious. Be gracious to. Oh, now my American disciple, Swami Radha, president founder of Sivananda Ashram, Vancouver, will give a beautiful, soul-stirring song. Hear with rapt attention. Listen now.
चाय गरम चाय गरम पान चाय गरम चाय
Sir, is this the platform for Dune Express? Yes, yes. Are we going to Dehradun? No, I am going to Rishikesh. Acha, that is very nice. I am also going to Rishikesh. Is it so? Do you know Swami Sivananda? Have you been to his ashram?
Oh yes, I know him very well. I happen to be his disciple also. Are you going to see Swamiji?
Yes, I am eager to see him.
Excuse me, may I interrupt you? I think you are talking about Swami Sivananda. Are you both going to his ashram?
Yes, Mataji. Can I be of any help to you?
This is the first time I am going to Rishikesh. I come from Ceylon. Have I to change the train at Haridwar? Will I get a taxi at Rishikesh station? The difficulty is, I cannot.
Don't worry, Mataji. We will take you to the ashram.
Mr. Sridhar, it is time. Let us get into the compartment.
Mataji, you please get in first. We will see to the luggage. Oh, Mataji, are you also going to Rishikesh? I hope we did not disturb you with our talk.
No, Maharaj. On the contrary, I was absorbed in it. It was very interesting. In fact, I myself was wishing to ask you a few questions. May I?
Oh, yes.
What kind of sadhana Swamiji did to attain the Jivan Mukti state?
He had a general routine. Rising early at Brahma Muhurta, he chanted loudly the pranava and other sacred mantras and stotras in praise of the Lord. This was a signal to other sadhus to resume their sadhanas too. As mentioned already, he went to the sacred river Ganges, where he stood in the cold waters, doing japa and meditation till dawn. The next item in his daily routine was paying visits to Sikh Mahatmas, sadhus, and poor villagers, rendering them the necessary medical aid. This lasted oftentimes till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The evening hours were spent in long, protracted and deep meditation. The Swamiji was generous, liberal and kind-hearted. How could he enjoy the benefits of his spiritual realizations and experiences for himself alone? He would share them with every sincere sadhaka and seeker after truth.
What is the general program of the ashram?
Yes, I will tell you. At 4 o'clock, we all get up. We have temple worship and then meditation class for an hour, and then at 6 o'clock, asana class, where foreigners also join. 9 o'clock, Swamiji comes to the office. We have his darshans. People can also ask questions. Evening, we have classes in Yoga and Vedanta. Night satsang starts at 8 o'clock. Swamiji also attends, and we have a feast of music, discourses, inspiring talks. This is, in short, our ashram program.
Thanks for your information. I feel sleepy.
Let us go to sleep then. Swami Shantanand ji,
Yes, yes.
has Swami ji come to the office?
Oh yes, 15 minutes ago he came.
Brahmanand Swami ji,
Yes, Swamiji.
Sridhar is coming today. Is it not? Have you got a room ready for him? Look after him well.
I have already arrived, Swamiji. I met these people at Delhi platform and we travelled together. This is Nirmala from Ceylon and his Shekhar from Madras. They have come to stay here for a few days.
You are Nirmala from Ceylon. You have been corresponding with me. You are a Vedantic student, is it not so? Achaji, take your seat. Sridhar, you look tired. Better go and have your bath and take rest. I will see you later in the kutir.
Swamiji, I have brought this sweet for you. Kindly accept it. I prepared it myself.
Thank you very much. Badi Kripa. They look very appetizing. Satyanam, distribute it to all.
Swamiji.
Swamiji, the whole thing is being distributed. You did not even taste a little bit. I brought it for you, Swamiji.
Oji, give me one piece.
Om Namo Narayana, Swamiji.
Auji Bhagavan, have this sweet.
Swamiji, you didn't even take one bit. You have given it to that sadhu.
Yes, I tasted it. I enjoyed it through all these mouths. You have come to learn Vedanta here, is it not? This is the first lesson for you in Vedanta. Don't you know, just as 1/3 penetrates all flowers in a garland, so also the one self penetrates all living beings. You have to learn to behold this one self in all and give up the idea of diversity. Behold the one in all and all in one. Feel I am the all and I am in all. Feel all bodies are mine. The whole world is my body, my sweet home. Hear this song. Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama, Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama.
Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama, Bhajo Sita Rama, Bhajo Shriya Rama.
The whole world is my body, the shrubs are my hands, all bodies are mine, I enjoy in all bodies.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
All mouths are mine, I eat through all these mouths, all eyes are mine, I perceive through all these eyes. Bhajo Radhe
Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
All ears are mine, I hear through all these ears, all noses are mine, I smell through all noses.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
All hands are mine, I work through all these hands, the heaven is my hand, the earth is my feet.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
The sun and the moon are my two eyes, fire is my mouth, the wind is my breath.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama,
trunk, the ocean is my bladder, the mountains are my bones, the rivers are my veins.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
Dharma is my chest, adharma is my bag, time is my movement, flow gunas is my play.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
Who can describe this Virat Swarupa? It is magnanimous and soul stirring.
Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama, Bhajo Radhe Krishna, Bhajo Radhe Shama.
Feel, I work in all hands, I eat in all mouths, and the immortal self in all. If you repeat this formula mentally for several times in a day, you will get over the feelings of diversity. Feel oneness of life or unity of consciousness. When you play tennis, when you talk and sing, when you drink and eat, when you do your work in the office, and when you bathe and dress, spiritualize every moment, action, thought and feeling. Gradually the names and forms will vanish. Share with others what you have, physical, mental, moral and spiritual. Remember that all that you have is entrusted to you by God to be distributed amongst His children. Sharing purifies the heart. Sharing develops oneness. Feel the whole world as your own self. Have cosmic vision and cosmic feeling. Therefore, give, give, give. By giving to others, you give to yourself. By helping others, you help yourself. By serving others, you serve yourself. Because you are the all-pervading spirit, the Satchidananda Atman, which pervades the entire creation. Have you understood now, Nirmalaji?
Yes, Swamiji. Thank you very much. I am very much inspired, and it has increased my thirst to learn more about Vedanta.
Shekhar, you are coming from Madras.
Yes, Swamiji.
You look very much depressed. Be bold, be cheerful. Accept your essential nature. You are the immortal soul. Feel as such. Act as such right now from this very second. Don't worry about the past. Forget the bitter experiences. Always remember this. There is something dearer than wealth. There is something dearer than wife. There is something dearer than son. There is something dearer than your friend. There is something dearer than your very life itself. The dearest something is thy own self, Atma, immortal, inner ruler. Satyamasi, thou art that. The existence, knowledge, bliss, absolute.
भगवते शिवानन्दाय ॐ नमो 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 भगवते Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya.
Hear the song. Na 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 da na 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 da na 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 Rama 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 Govinda Madhava Hari Vasudeva Narayana Radhavana Vrindavana Chandra Sita Vallabh Ayodhya Ramachandra Rama Raghava Madhusudana Gopi Vallabha Padmana Shivamana Sri Vikrama Rishikesha Sri Rama Krishna Damodara Keshava Rama 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 Let the bonds of desire persevere eternity in such a spirit. Free yourself from all the attachment. Turn the mind from all sensual objects. Strive ceaselessly, restrain the senses, calm the mind, fix it on the self. Enter into nirvikan for samadhi. Enjoy the peace of the eternal. Rama 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 Rama. Hold fast to the lamp of Dharma, entertain thoughts of love. Allay the flames of lust, greed and become the physician of the soul. Soar high in the realms of bliss, behold unity has cosmic vision. Blessed is he who has realized oneness. Happy is he who knows his own self. Rama 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 We have come to this world to learn lessons through different experiences. This world is a great school. Attachment is the root cause for the whole miseries and troubles of the world. Second, do not be discouraged when sorrows, difficulties and tribulations manifest in the daily battle of life. Understand this. You are the master of your destiny. You are divine. Live up it. Give up clinging to names and forms. After all, relations, friends and everything in this world is transient. Do not grumble just because you have got troubles and sorrows. Difficulties will strengthen your will, augment your power of endurance, and will turn your mind towards God. Conquer the difficulties one by one. Begin a new spiritual life, a life of expansion, glory and divine splendor. Have fortitude, patience, courage. Have a new angle of vision. Arm yourself with discrimination, cheerfulness, discernment and self-reliance. A glorious, brilliant future is inviting you. Let the past be buried. You can do wonders. Do not give up hope. Claim thy birthright now, the immortal self. Be bold. Stand up. Gird up the loins. Roar like a lion. March forward. Nil desperandum. Never despair. How do you feel now, Sekhar? Are you all right now? Take these books. You must be able to deliver lectures in the satsang. Brahmananda Swami, give them rooms. Send their food to their rooms. Achadi, go and have your bath. Take rest.
How can I ever thank you, Swamiji? Within a few minutes you have made me feel a different man. I shall be ever grateful to you. Nirmalaji, what Sridhar told us about Swamiji is word by word correct. Really, he is a superhuman. I never even opened my mouth, but he understood my innermost thoughts and has given me appropriate answers. He has produced the miraculous change in me.
Yes, Swamiji is really wonderful. There is a doubt about that.
There is the drink of nectar for yogis who rest in Samadhi. What is the use of beverages? Hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya. There is the drink of nectar for the yogis who rest in Samadhi. What is the use of beverages? Hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya. For him who has realized the self, who sees the world within himself, how can there be desire? Hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya. There is no bliss like that of the soul. There is no light like that of ourself. therefore know your own self. Hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya. Servant-kindly, serve selflessly, aspire fervently, pray devotedly. Hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya. Live truthfully, remain cheerfully, rejoice heartily, rest peacefully. Hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya, hey Somya. Introspect regularly, reflect ceaselessly, meditate intensely, realize perfectly. Hey Somya, 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 Somya.
Swamiji, I have taken up quite a lot of your time. It is very kind of you. You have made Vedanta very clear to me. I will stay here for a month, learn more details of Vedantic sadhana and go home. Kindly bless me. I will return after some time, equipping myself with sadhana to his care.
Swamiji, some European visitors are waiting to see you.
All right. Ask them to come in, please. Welcome. Arrived just now. Kindly take your seat. Will you have something to drink? Had a pleasant journey? Where do you come from?
Swamiji, I am Victoria from America. This is Rigo from Puerto Rico. This is Elizabeth from Los Angeles. And this is Mr. John Banman from Vancouver. We are all students of philosophy. We have come to India to learn more about Indian philosophy. Dr. Frederick Spiegelberg of California University directed us to come to you. May we ask you some questions?
Oh, yes, very glad. First of all, have something to drink. Refresh yourself and then you can ask any number of questions.
Oh, kindly have this drink, please.
From the time we have come here, we have heard this word at least a dozen times. The moment we got down from the car, the secretary greeted us with an The servant boys who carried our luggage saluted us with The Swami who opened the door here greeted us with Everyone in the ashram greeted us with We know something about this word, but what is the exact significance of it?
Is it not stated in the Bible? In the beginning there was the Word. The Word was with God. The Word was God. That Word is Om. Om is everything. All words are centered in Om. All the letters of the alphabets of all languages are contained in this mysterious sacred monosyllable Om. It consists of three letters A-U-M. A represents the physical plane. U represents the mental and astral planes. And M represents all that is beyond the reach of intellect. Om therefore represents all. It covers all the threefold experience of man and stands for all phenomenal worlds. From Om the sense universe has been projected and in Om it dissolves. Om is the basis of your life, thought and intelligence. So everything has come from Om, rests in Om and dissolves in Om. Now hear this song, Om song. Om, 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 goal of one and all is that home.
The ultimate goal of one and all is that home.
Breathe home, sing home, live in home.
Breathe home, sing home, live in home.
Meditate, 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 meditate on home.
Meditate, 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 meditate on home.
Om, 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 om,
It is a wonderful song, Swamiji. Have you composed it, Swamiji? Can we have a copy of it?
Yes, Satyanganam.
Swamiji.
Give them few copies of inspiring
Yes,
songs.
Swamiji. May I talk to you for a few minutes, Swamiji? Swamiji, I was earning a good salary in a big European firm. Few months ago, I lost my job due to retrenchment. While I was in good position, I had innumerable friends. I was helping many of my relations. I happened to marry in a very rich family. My wife, being used to a luxurious life, consumed the major portion of my income. I never bothered to save any money. Now I am in difficulty. I approached a few of my friends and relatives for help, but was shocked when they flatly refused any help. My wife has left me and gone to her parents. This has upset me more than anything else. I feel life is not worth living. Swamiji, now and then I feel like putting an end to this wretched life. It is God's grace that has brought me to your holy feet. After the talk with you yesterday, Swamiji, I feel somewhat better, but at times I feel terribly dejected. Kindly do something, Swamiji. I cannot bear it anymore.
You should not lose hope like that. You must always have positive thoughts. The course of worldly life is like a dream. All worldly enjoyments are unstable like a flash of lightning, Sekharji. Life is like a drop of water upon a piece of heated iron, liable to disappear at any moment. The meeting of fathers, mothers, wives, brothers, relations and friends is unstable in this world. Give up the desire for enjoying the unstable worldly objects. Fortune is as fickle as shadow. You came alone, you will go alone. Bondage and freedom, pressure and pain, gain and loss are mental creations. Rely on your own self for gaining real strength. Do not depend upon money, friends or anyone. Do not be bound to anybody. Eternal happiness, unalloyed joy. Peace that is beyond understanding, a life without cares and worries, can be had only in God or the self. Silent teacher is the best eye opener.
Rama 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 Rama.
It turns the mind towards God. It instills mercy in the heart. It develops patience, endurance. It strengthens the willpower.
Rama 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 Rama.
Trial is a crucible into which nature throws a man whenever she wishes to mold him into a sublime Superman.
Rama 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 Rama.
Sorrow is false and illusory, it certainly cannot live. Bliss is true and eternal, it certainly cannot die.
Rama 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 Rama.
Freedom is thy birthright, but but not to bondage. Bliss is thy heritage, but not to sorrow.
Rama 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 Rama.
Renunciation will lead you to nobler, higher pursuits and take you to the pinnacle of spiritual glory and bliss.
Rama 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 Rama.
The strong raft of knowledge of self will take you safely over the stormy waves of great oceans of samsara.
Rama 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 Rama.
If the pot is broken, the ether in the pot is not affected. Even so, the soul does not perish, even the body perishes.
Rama 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 Rama.
This Atma is birthless and deathless and decay-less. It is self-luminous, self-existent and self-contained.
Rama 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 Rama.
Therefore, if he can play. Therefore, Shekharji, don't worry about the failures and disappointments in life. Pain and suffering are the visible manifestations of God's grace and disguise to uplift mankind from the clutches of Maya. So be patient. Develop more tolerance. A bright future awaits you. You are going to be a spiritual hero.
By your grace, Swami.
You can escape from the troubles and difficulties only if you lead a life of dispassion, restraint and purity. Do selfless service, develop pure cosmic love, develop the habit of right thinking, right feeling. Your present mental state is due to ignorance, that is due to want of discrimination between the real and the unreal. Shekharji, seek everything, bliss and peace in the Atman or soul. Seek everlasting bliss or peace in the Atma or soul. Within. There is only a remedy to get rid of the pains of samsara. The wealth of the three worlds is nothing. It is mere straw before the spiritual wealth. Try to lead a spiritual life. Stay here for some time. Take Ganges bath daily. Go to the temple. Early morning, do some selfless service. Attend to the Yoga Vedanta classes in the evening. Do a little japa and meditation. Very soon you will become peaceful. May Lord bless you.
Thank you, Swamiji. I will follow your instructions. By your grace, I hope I will be all right.
Swamiji, Swamiji, please get up. Something is moving there.
Where is it?
Swamiji. It's a snake, Swamiji.
What is there to get so frightened? Let it be a snake. If you don't do any harm to it, it will go away. Sridhar, bring the torch and see what it is.
Oh, Swamiji, it is a rope. That rope which we removed from that pot.
Very nice. Balaji, this is what is known as Adhyaropa or superimposition. One of the fundamental principles of Vedanta philosophy. In the dim light, you mistook the rope for to be a snake. In reality, there was only a rope. Snake was superimposed on the rope. In the light, the snake disappears and the rope alone remains. The snake was not there in the past, present, and will not be there in the future also. Similarly, everything that you see in this world, in the form of diverse objects, is only Brahman or the absolute consciousness. This world is superimposed on Brahman with the dawn of knowledge. The appearance of the world with the names and forms will disappear and you will experience the oneness everywhere.
Swamiji, I need your help. My father arrived this morning. He is very much against my taking of sannyas. I am unable to make him understand the glory and the necessity of taking sannyas. He is waiting outside. May I call him in? Will you kindly talk to him and make him all right, Swamiji?
Oh, yes, call him. Avji Maharaj, you are very fortunate to have a son with much spiritual samskaras. He is a Satputra. Don't stand in the way of his spiritual progress.
No, Swamiji, I will never stand in the way of his progress. My only objection is about his taking sannyas. What is the necessity of taking sannyas after all?
Sannyas is absolute necessity, Maharaj. The very longing for sannyas shows there is growth of spirituality. Sannyas destroy all worldliness, all evil samskaras, and establishes an Advaitic meditation. Atmaramji, are you not fed up with this miserable samsara? Don't you want to break the chains of earthly bondage, the bondage of birth and death, old age and disease? Where is your courage? Where is your manliness? Do not be a coward. Be bold. Fight for attaining the state of absolute freedom. Don't forget how fortunate you are. Thank God at least one of your sons has the glorious fortune to open his inward eye, to realize the futility of earthly life, to renounce all his attachments and to take to the wise path of self-realization. Do you know Atma Ramji, the son of universe, has done his greatest duty to his parents. He has opened the doors of salvation to his parents and his family people. You are locked up in the jail of ego and delusion. All the activities and the business of life is nothing when compared to the glorious path of self-realization. Open your eyes. Understand that you are moving and breathing in the mass of spiritual universal consciousness. There is no way in this world to get eternal happiness and supreme satisfaction. Allow your son to assert his birthright to attain the freedom of self-realization.
Swamiji, let him try to attain self-realization. I will not stand in his way. Let him do it without taking sannyas, without becoming a beggar.
Oh, ye, you have not understood the glory of sannyas. If you understand it, you will throw off everything now itself and come off as a beggar. He is a beggar only in the eyes of ignorant people. In reality, he is the richest man. And don't forget that sannyas is necessary for attaining self-realization. Only a sannyasi can cut off all connection and ties. A real sannyasin is the only mighty potentate of the earth. How can you describe the glory of a sannyasi? The world is at a great debt of gratitude to him. Who can repay the debts to him? It was sannyasins who did glorious sublime work in the past. It is sannyasin only who can work wonders in the present and the future also. It was the great sannyasins like Shankara, Ramakrishna, Ramthi, Vivekananda who disseminated the sublime teachings of the scriptures and preserved the Hindu religion. The sannyasi alone can do real social work for the welfare of the nation because he has divine knowledge. He is a whole-time man. One real sannyasin can change the destiny of the whole world. It is only one mighty Shankara who established the doctrine of Kevala Advaita philosophy. He still lives in our heart. Therefore, Atma Ramji, poor Atma Ramji, realize the necessity for such a high step, the glorious life of sannyas for realization. Allow your son to embrace sannyas. He will shine like the ancient Sanat Kumar, Dattatreya and Shankara.
Forgive me, Swamiji, I was ignorant. You have opened my eyes. I leave everything in your hands. You know what is best for my son. Lead him in the correct path, Gurudev. Let God bless him.